Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Candidly use of data preferences in insurance ecosystems. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, access the Candidly platform on your preferred web browser. Log in to your account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the settings icon, typically found in the upper right corner. Click on the settings icon to open the configuration menu. In the configuration menu, find the Use of Data Preferences section. Click on this section to access your data preferences. You will see various options related to data sharing and usage. Review each option carefully to understand its implications. Select your preferred options for data sharing. Make sure to consider both privacy and functionality. Once you have made your selections, scroll down to the bottom of the page. You will find a Save Changes button. Click on Save Changes to confirm your new preferences. A notification will appear confirming that your changes have been saved. If needed, revisit this section to update your preferences at any time. Ensure to follow any additional prompts specific to your insurance ecosystem. Once done, exit the Settings menu. Your configurations are now active and will enhance your user experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.